Hi, in a typical new product development, 7 to 3 is the cost and time ratio between design and manufacturing. However, a design with components that are hard to manufacture and assemble will induce added cost and time pressure on your successful product launch. Do you know fasteners typically have very low impact on the part cost, whereas they have very significant impact on the labor cost. It is through design for manufacturability or DFMA that you ensure that your design can be manufactured as well as assembled at low cost. My name is Shripad Hegde. I am the founder of ThriveSkill Training and Consultancy. Today, I am going to give you a brief overview of one of our training module, that is DFMA. In a product development sequence, as you start with your concept design and progress further towards the detailed design, this is the stage wherein you consider the design for assembly and the design for manufacturability. In design for assembly, basically you will optimize your design to have a lower part count and it can be easily assembled. In design for manufacturability, you ensure that your design is ready to be manufactured. Why DFMA? DFMA is very important in terms of reducing the number of parts in your design, which means you have less number of parts to document and revise, and at the later stage when you manufacture, you have less parts to inspect, store and handle. So basically the benefit of DFMA is throughout the life cycle of the product. You have less labor and your design is simple or less complexity. You have higher quality product because the part count is lower and you have more focus on the number of components that you have, which means the profit for the company. And your time to market will be improved or your product launch will be faster compared to if you have not considered DFMA. Major objectives and agenda from this training. So I have kind of highlighted the main points. The much more points are covered in the actual training. So you will see what is the, we will see the introduction to the DFMA and what is its impact on cost. How do you do product simplification and part count reduction? Principles of design for assembly and design for manufacturability. There are several key steps that you need to consider in DFMA and DFA, which is design for assembly. So we will see in detail. You need to do tolerance optimization so that the kind of tolerance you give on the part is apt for the intent of the design or the functionality of the design. And how do you standardize so that your manufacturability is faster and you reap the benefit of the cost? What is your component selection guidelines? Are you using standard parts that are available in the market so that way you don't have to design them? How do you mistake proof your design? So basically at the later stage when you assemble and install the product in the field, you should be able to install the components at any given conditions. So mistake proofing is very important. Material and process evaluation, as well as how do you standardize your raw materials, and you need to design for the supply chain. So the components that you design should be available in the market as well, which is part of the supply chain. And what is the role of CAD/CAM? In the present day CAD/CAM, what is the role of it in the DFMA is something you will see. Our training modes, basically in class, in campus or at company. We have several online webinars which you can see through our website ThriveSkill.com. I will be uploading these videos as I do the demo videos on each of these trainings. Please provide your comments and likes as you go through this video. We look forward to hearing from you in terms of your training needs. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.